Your customer starts a conversation on SMS. That gets routed to an AI agent. The AI can't resolve it, so it hands off to a human in Flex. And the first thing that human says, "Can you tell me a little bit about what you need help with?" Every channel you add, SMS, WhatsApp, RCS, voice, makes this worse. More handoff points, more dropped context, more customers repeating themselves. So how do you give every channel and every agent, AI or human, access to the same conversation without ripping out what you've already built? Most devs I talk to hear Twilio Conversations and think, oh, another messaging channel. It's not. It's an orchestration layer. One scalable resource that sits underneath all your channels and keeps a single context thread alive across every handoff. AI to human, SMS to voice, doesn't matter. The fix isn't adding more channels, it's connecting the ones you already have. But connecting the channels is the easy part. The hard part? The handoff. How do you pass full context from AI to human without losing anything? That's exactly what we're covering this month on the Developer Hub. The Conversations docs are linked on the page, Quickstarts through advanced orchestration. We've got a tutorial on adding real-time conversation intelligence into Flex, a deep dive on managing AI to human handoffs using TAC, Orchestrator, and Studio, and a walkthrough on integrating voice and SMS with an AI Twilio agent connected to Microsoft Azure. Want blueprints instead of tutorials? The doc Quickstarts further down the page handle the heavy lifting. Get your app deployed fast. Prefer watching over reading? The Conversation Layer playlist has our newest content since Signal. Or, and this is one I'd circle on your calendar, join the Twilio Talks webinar on July 22nd. It's specifically about passing full context from an AI to human agents across SMS, RCS, and WhatsApp from a single conversations resource. That's the handoff problem, solved live. All of it's linked on the Developer Hub. Go build something connected. We'll see you next month.